So hello friends, welcome to another new video. After seeing the thumbnail you can understand only that we are going to discuss about interesting questions today. So without any delay, let us look on to the first question. So the question on your screen is: phosphorus and sulfur start burning instantaneously at room temperature. This is which type of a combustion? I will be giving you 10 seconds to answer the question. So the answer is none of these, as the example given in the question is a spontaneous combustion. As spontaneous combustion is not there in the options, so it will be and none of these, which is in option D. So let us move now to the second question. How genetically similar is an asexual offspring to its parent? I will give you 10 seconds again to answer this question. So the answer of this question is option B, that is 100% identical. Let us now move on to the third question. If it takes 10 seconds for a ball dropped from a plane to hit the ground, what is its velocity just before it hits? I will again give you all 10 seconds to answer this question. The answer is 10 meters per second, which is in option D. Let us now move on to the fourth question. A red ball is red because, again I will give you 10 seconds to answer. So the answer is it only reflects red light, which is in option C. Let us now move on to the fifth question. The timer starts now. If the circuit is open, then the bulb will glow. The answer is false. If the circuit is closed, then the bulb will glow, not when open. So let us now move on to the sixth question. If the wavelength of a wave is same, then the amplitude and frequency of the wave are also same. Again I will give you 10 seconds to answer the question. The answer is false. Let us now move on to the seventh question. If two pieces of ice put together pressed with force, it gets attached into one piece because, again I will give you 10 seconds to answer the question. The option is B, because of high pressure the melting point decrease. Let us now move on to the eighth question. The devices which have infinite electrical resistance are known as. The correct option is option B, insulator. Let us now move on to the ninth question. Atoms and molecules take part in chemical changes. Again I will give you 10 seconds to answer the question. And the answer is false. Only atoms take part in chemical changes but not molecules. Let us now move on to the 10th question. Protons, neutrons and electrons are the ultimate subatomic particles. Again I will give you 10 seconds to answer the question. The answer will be false. They are not these ultimate subatomic particles. They can be broken down into quarks. So this is all for today's quiz. Wait till the next video and please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos like it.